Filled it with foam. Just cut some loose blocks, tuck it in there. Build your panorama. There's your start. This is our British edition. Now, I'm going to give you the formula. Length, width, four corners. So I'm setting the length. This is for an oblong table, obviously. Width. Your tables are not as wide as they are long. Think of growth. How do things grow? Up, out, and down. And follow that formula. Here's your four corners. See it? Length, width, four corners. Almost everything I do has a formula. That's why I can do them so quick. So I did lower deck. Now I'm going to do upper deck. Then I'm going to do a little penthouse. Lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. Now a little bit more on the side. When I left my first job, he said, I'll tell you one thing, Michael. Bernard McCall, you made money out of my garbage. If you're a good designer, you're always looking on the floor because you throw nothing out. There's always that piece you're looking for on the floor. What do I tell my students in class? Look on the floor. It's there. So we're going to accent with a little bit of this and that. So again, my theory on silk today is use it for accent pieces on your side tables, on your end tables, in a guest bedroom. I don't necessarily do it in the middle of my dining room table, although some of these pieces I might. It depends. But the deer did most of the work. Now, pop in some of her presents. How hard is this stuff? Isn't that pretty? Okay. One more piece.